are going to perform some of the examples based upon exponents and as well as powers. So under this we are going to perform the first example, that is example number 1. So here in this example we are going to simplify 3x to the power of minus 3 by 4 into y to the power of 2 by 5 overall divided by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 4 into y to the power of minus 3 by 5. Then now the solution starts. So in our solution, so here we had 3x to the power of minus 3 by 4 into y to the power of 2 by 5 overall divided by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 4 into y to the power of minus 3 by 5. So first of all I want to group the like terms, that is variables as x and x together and constants coefficients 3 and 5 and the variables y and y. So here I can write it as 3 by 5 in one bracket, and in the second bracket x to the power of minus 3 by 4 overall divided by x to the power of 5 by 4 bracket close, and in the next bracket y power 2 by 5 overall divided by y to the power of minus 3 by 5. But we know one identity, that is a to the power of minus m, whereas in the denominator it will become a to the power of plus m, whereas here 1 divided by a to the power of minus m, when it comes over to the numerator it becomes a to the power of plus m. We are utilizing those two, that is a power minus m can be written as 1 by, when it comes over to the denominator place, so it becomes a to the power of minus m as plus m in the denominator. Along with this, so I am going to utilize one more identity, that is in case 1 by a to the power of minus m is there, then a to the power of minus m is in the denominator. When it comes over to the numerator, so it becomes a to the power of minus m as plus m. I am utilizing this identity a power minus m in this place. X to the power of minus 3 by 4 is similar to a to the power of minus m. When it comes in the denominator place, it becomes a to the power of plus m. X to the power of minus 3 by 4, when it comes in the denominator place, it becomes x to the power of minus 3 by 4 as plus 3 by 4 in the denominator. Similarly, y to the power of 2 by 4 will be kept as it is. 1 divided by a power minus m is similar to y to the power of minus 3 by 5. A's place is of y and minus of minus I say here, then now m is nothing but here 3 by 4. So here a to the power of minus m, when it comes over to the numerator it becomes a to the power of plus m, and similarly this term, that is y to the power of minus 3 by 5, when it comes over to the numerator it becomes y to the power of minus 3 by 5 as plus 3 by 5 in the numerator. So here the next logical step will be of 3 by 5 will be kept as it is. Then in the next bracket, so I am going to utilize this condition, this identity x to the power of minus 3 by 4 I am going to write in the denominator, that is its coefficient will be 1 is left over in the numerator, and I want to write first of all x to the power of 5 by 4 as it is, and x to the power of minus 3 by 4 when it comes over to the denominator becomes positive. So here minus 3 by 4, x to the power of minus 3 by 4 in the denominator becomes plus 3 by 4 bracket close, so into in between, and similarly y to the power of 2 by 5 I am going to write as it is because it is of positive. Then now divided by, that is y's coefficient is of 1 divided by y to the power of minus 3 by 5 is similar to 1 divided by y to the power of minus m. A power minus m in the numerator it becomes a to the power of plus m. So here this y to the power of minus 3 by 5 I am going to write in the numerator. So here numerator it becomes y to the power of minus 3 by 5, in the numerator becomes plus 3 by 5 bracket close. So here the denominator will be of 1. So that implies so 3 by 5 first bracket kept as it is, and whereas in the second bracket, so we got 1 divided by x power 5 by 4 into x to the power of 3 by 4 as per the previous logical step. Whereas here, see in the next bracket we got y to the power of 2 by 5 into y to the power of 3 by 5 overall divided by 1. Say this is the previous logical step. Then now that implies 3 by 5 kept as it is. Then now here 1 divided by, bases are same and into in between we can use the product law here. So product law states that a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n when the bases are equal and into in between. So exponents must be added up. So whereas here also x and x are equal, that is bases are equal, these are the exponents, m replaced by 5 by 4, n replaced by 3 by 4. So here equals to a to the power of m plus n as the result. So here 5 by 4 and 3 by 4 must be added up. So here that implies x to the power of m plus n. So here 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 within brackets, then brackets closed. Whereas here also the bases are equal, we can utilize the same identity, same law is applied here also, bases are equal and into in between, we can write it as y to the power of, so exponents must be added up, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 divided by 1 will be there in the denominator and these two fractions within brackets. Then now this is the reason, based upon this reason we wrote the logical step here. Then that implies 3 by 5 as it is in the first bracket, whereas in the second bracket 1 divided by x to the power of. So we can take the LCM of these two fractions. Denominators are same, so these two will be called as the like fractions. LCM will be of 4. Say 4 number of times is of 1 times, I say 4 once is 4, 1 into numerator 5 is of 5 plus 4 once is of 4, 1 into numerator 3 is of 3 within bracket. Then now into, so y to the power of, say 5 and 5 denominators are same, they are like fractions, so LCM will be of 5. 5 number of times with LCM 5, once is 5, 1 into what numerator, so is 2 itself, plus 5 number of times is 1, 5 1 is 5, 1 into 3 is of 3. Then now bracket close and overall divided by 1 will be there as it is. Then that implies 3 by 5 kept as it is. Then now bracket 1 by x to the power of 5 plus 3 is of 8 overall divided by 4. Then now whereas here y to the power of 2 plus 3 is of 5 overall divided by 5, then totally divided by 1. 4 ones, 4 twos here, simplification, 5 and 5 gets cancels once. Then that implies 3 by 5 into 1 by x to the power of just 2 is left over, that is x square, into y to the power of 1 is nothing but just y divided by 1. So we can cancel out 1 and 1 because the symbol in between is of into and d2. So that implies 3 into y is of 3y in the numerator, overall divided by 5 into x square is nothing but 5x square. So here in this manner I say I got the solution as, therefore solution is equals to 3y divided by 5x square. So in this manner we have simplified the